A car slammed into a brick building in Strongsville, Ohio. The crash happened at nearly 100 miles per hour. Inside the car were 3 young people, and only one of them survived. The driver was 17-year-old Mackenzie Shirilla. Her boyfriend Dominic Russo and their friend Davion Flanagan both lost their lives. At first it looked like a tragic accident, but investigators eventually reached a different conclusion. They believed Mackenzie had intentionally driven into the building. In 2023, a judge found her guilty of multiple charges. She was sentenced to 15 years to life in prison, and since then she continued fighting that conviction. Several appeals have already been denied, but now the case has taken a major turn. Mackenzie had hired a new attorney. This week, that attorney filed a federal petition asking the judge to throw out her conviction and order a new trial. Her new lawyer says the case wasn't handled fairly from the start. One of her biggest claims is that her previous defense team failed to present important evidence that could help explain what happened that morning. According to the petition, there was evidence that Mackenzie was driving near the crash site because she was planning to pick up groceries from a nearby 24-hour pickup location. Her new attorney says that this could have provided an innocent explanation for why she was in that area at that time. The petition also says the jury, or in this case the judge, never heard experts' testimony about Mackenzie's medical condition. Her lawyer says she suffers from POTS, a disorder that sometimes can cause dizziness or even lose consciousness. But there's another reason why they're asking for a new trial. Medical experts were never brought in to explain whether her condition could have affected what had happened. Another argument focuses on how the case was handled from the beginning. Because she was only 17 years old, her new attorney believed the case should have stayed in juvenile court. They believed those decisions affected her rights long before the trial started. Prosecutors have always maintained that the crash was intentional. During the original trial, they argued that the evidence clearly showed Mackenzie intentionally drove into the building, leading to the death of Dominic and Davion. For now, her conviction remains in place. A federal judge will decide whether any of these arguments justify reopening the case or granting a new trial. I'll continue following this case and bring you any major updates. Thanks for watching, and I hope you liked this video.